Welcome to Life Lessons and to the daily dose of Ramayana series. Today we will see how Rama breaks Ahalya's curse. Some sins aren't born of evil, but of misunderstanding. And some blessings come only when the time is right. Guided by sage Vishwamitra, Rama enters a hermitage veiled in silence and mystery, home to Sage Gautama, and the place of a forgotten curse. As Rama steps onto the ashram floor, the curse dissolves. Ahalya regains her form, her spirit cleansed not just by time, but by Rama's divine grace. Forgiveness flows like a river. Gautam embraces Ahalya, and peace returns to the sacred grove. Rama moves on, leaving behind a home once shattered, now healed. The forest darkens. Demons stir. A confrontation awaits. The prince will now become the protector. Join us tomorrow as the legend unfolds further. Subscribe for daily Ramayana episodes, new stories every day. Please like, comment, share and subscribe.